You wake up one morning and realize something has changed. Getting out of bed feels harder. Climbing stairs feels like a workout. Your legs, they feel weaker. But here's the shocking part. This decline probably started years ago, and you didn't even notice. This silent condition has a name: sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. By the time you're 70, your body may have already lost up to a third of its muscle mass. And when your legs start to weaken, everything else follows. Your balance fades, your mobility suffers, your independence is at risk. But today, we're taking your strength back. And it starts with one powerful food you probably already have in your kitchen. Sarcopenia doesn't scream, it whispers. It doesn't arrive with sirens. It creeps in, one chair, one staircase, one shaky step at a time. And when it takes hold, the risks skyrocket. Falls become more frequent, recovery takes longer, hospital stays become more likely. Here's what most people don't realize. You can reverse sarcopenia, yes, even after 70. The answer isn't just in the gym, it's on your plate. Let me introduce you to one of the most powerful, affordable, and overlooked muscle rebuilding foods: sweet potatoes. Why are sweet potatoes a secret weapon for aging legs? Complex carbohydrates provide long-lasting energy, helping you walk farther and longer. Vitamin A repairs damaged muscle tissue at the cellular level. Potassium, crucial for muscle coordination, balance, and cramp prevention. Fiber boosts digestion and nutrient absorption, ensuring your muscles get the fuel they need. This isn't about weight loss. This is about building strength from the inside out. Sweet potatoes don't just feed your muscles, they protect them. As we age, our ability to recover slows down. The microscopic tears in your muscles from daily activity, they used to heal overnight. Now, it can take days or longer. Sweet potatoes help your body repair faster, recover stronger, and move easier. They also combat a hidden enemy: chronic inflammation, a major driver of muscle loss. Beta-carotene, found in sweet potatoes, neutralizes inflammation and oxidative stress, two silent destroyers of your muscle fibers. And guess what? Sweet potatoes also contain a nutrient most people don't associate with strength: magnesium. Without it, your muscles spasm, cramp, and weaken. You don't need a cookbook or a personal chef to benefit from this. Here are easy, senior-friendly ways to eat more sweet potatoes. Mash them with cinnamon and a touch of honey for a warming breakfast. Add cubed sweet potatoes to soups or stews for extra heartiness. Make sweet potato fries with olive oil and rosemary. Delicious and anti-inflammatory. Blend roasted sweet potato into a smoothie with oats, banana, and almond milk for a powerhouse muscle shake. Consistency is more important than quantity. Eating sweet potatoes 3 to 5 times per week can lead to measurable improvement in leg strength, balance, walking endurance, recovery time after activity. Let's be honest, it's not just about food, it's about the life you want to live after 70. Do you want to travel without fear of falling, play with your grandkids on the floor, and get back up with ease? Walk into a room with strength and confidence? Because when sarcopenia goes unchecked, the story is often the same. First it's stairs, then it's needing help out of bed, then it's a walker, then a wheelchair. But that doesn't have to be your story. You've just learned one of the most powerful natural ways to protect your legs after 70. Now, the choice is yours. Let sweet potatoes become your daily ally in rebuilding strength, mobility, and confidence. Like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more elder wisdom health tips every week. And in the comments, tell me, what's one small change you're going to make starting today? Remember, your legs carry your life, so take care of them. They've been taking care of you for decades. Stay strong, stay wise. We'll see you in the next one.